Pretty little black skin girl. Pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty.
Chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl dipped in chocolate. So today I will be getting my hair done and I will be going to a family reunion / birthday party. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let's go. So I washed and blow dried my hair, and me never know, so me never if you put no grease in my hair. Me put grease in my hair and my stylist she wasn't pleased with it, but you know, she did it and this is how it looked. I really love it. It wasn't that tight, except the front did kind of tight, but the back was loose. It felt good. Yeah, it complemented my face and everything, so I really loved it. No, you get hair done. Atazida.
For a small bottle.
How much you gonna get? Look at the price.
The dog man. Got two of them bite me.
Oh, really?
You're too nice. What's your name?
Diamond.
Diamond. Oh my God, you're so nice. I'm friendly. My God.
I got home and then I started to get ready for the party. I got a tank top, crop top thing and a jeans shorts, and I wore my yellow Crocs. The place is hot, so I made sure that I, you know, changed my whole outfit because let me tell you, so hot. Hey my chocolate babies. So I'm at my cousin's birthday party right now. I'm going to, you know, show you guys what's up, what we'll be eating, and all of that. So come with me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Yeah.
Amen.
Clean up lady. I'm the clean up girl. I'm the clean up lady.
Fish soup this guys.
I can't believe I'm here looking at you and I'm like, hello? Are you here?
Thank you.
Sing up, yeah, man, killer, some move, some rap, some
So you guys know, so I can't go nowhere. I'm gonna kiba. I'm gonna bust a drift. So yeah, I was showing all my cousins and my friends how to do the drift. So yeah, I'm mash it up. I'm show them it. I'm angle it, right? One thing I go right now. Hey, hey.
Everybody get your bones, watch out. Dirt, dirt, dirt. Everybody get your bones, watch out. Dirt.
Stir fry of this. No, put this in that stir fry of this. I'm not Hey, get into it. Yeah. Whoa. Hey. Crazy. You got anybody out here? Yeah. The man got crazy. Hey.
Want to redo? Come on, Tim. Come do it. Come on, Tim.
You gotta cut it where the ice is. They want me to cut it up? Yeah, she don't know cut cake. Is you want the fun cake, Steve? Yeah. Here's, take yours. Even though what wait, mess up right here. Got it. Right.
But I love you in every way. I love you in every way. I don't know why. Which girl can say she stress me out at the fucking count? Cause if a man say broke, she have to do it out. And if she get a box now, dirty mouth. Gucci Rovers with a tough time, yeah, hey. You know that, like this. I've seen of that before. Yeah. Only you alone can quench this thirst. Niner.
On the gunman, the baby you want this. No, those white bitch now got like this, so they shouldn't have had the one. You know, yeah,
So yeah, I came from the supermarket store, and then when we came home, we saw them cooking on the grill. So you know, it's an next mad thing, and we fry some snappers. What you gonna do then?
Fry.
You gonna excavate it?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, man. These are some red snappers.
You can't say, man, I fuck with Gates, then say something negative in the same sentence. That don't even go together, old bitch ass nigga. But you know that ain't real. A nigga know what talking about.
Roll up. Hey. Get into it. Hey. Rumhead. Rumhead. He's a rumhead. You a rumhead. Rum please. Say rum please.
Rum, please.
Yeah. Say rum please. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Pour yourself food.
Me.
Oh shit.
Where you ass? Oh, she got another point. She about to whoop you
Oh,
off.
now you want to say something? Okay.
Oh, she dogging. She dogging your shit, bruh. She dogging you, man. Yeah.
Switch it up. Now I'm left hand, so we're gonna switch it up. Huh? Really? You gonna do me like that?
You said you gonna make me run for it. So I'm gonna make you that. Come see. Remember the neighbor's house. Yeah, really. I know you.
Fuck that shit. Yeah. No more soft.
Were you ever soft?
No more soft.
Were you
shit.
ever soft though?
I'm hitting it.
Do y'all know the score?
I'm hitting it.
Y'all don't even know what score is, do y'all?
No.
Nope.
I know you losing though, Twan. Cause she hit you like with 3 in a row. You losing for sure.
Who said?
That bitch ain't going nowhere.
Let me see how I saw. Am I done the storage? I done the storage?
It's on like 2 minutes right now. You want me to stop the video? What the fuck was that, bruh?
Some bullshit.
Hell no. Yeah, you lost, bruh. That's game, man. That's gotta be game, bruh. She got like
She gonna sit there and say, oh, I forgot.
she got like 3 in a row on his ass.
Like, what?
People in my high school go to China.
For real?
Yeah.
To play this?
Got you.
Oh yeah, that's game.
I knocked it over the neighbor's house. I hope there ain't no dog over here. Cause then I don't think he can run faster than a Rottweiler or a pit bull. Cause man.
Strawberry daiquiri, guys. Really nice.
Nah, I can't even get in them. I'm supposed to bust out the side of.
Okay, come on. What? Look at Barbie. No. Barbie. Spin, spin, spin. Barbie from head to toe. Head to toe. Okay, Barbie.
You have some beautiful skin.
Yep.
Hi.
Yeah, guys, so we ended the night with some liquor. We were watching a reality show and just enjoying our time. So yes, guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when the girl dipped in chocolate uploads another video. Bye.